Wow, I really like this house. Everything is nice and shiny and clean inside. It has new floor coverings, new paint. Has a tremendous lot with it. And of course, in a 100-year floodplain, yet you're walking distance to the river. The Ohio River, plumb full of fish. So get your fishing pole ready. The house has a metal roof, which is going to outlast a bunch of us. And there's a nice big yard that you can either put a pool back there or maybe another building, for your toys, your men toys. There's a look at some of the new floor coverings that's in that room, and it is huge. Big living room, dining room, kitchen, open concept type of deal. The kitchen is brand new kitchen cabinets. Has a really, really nice feel to it. Bathrooms, again, all brand new, all redone. That is the one in the master bedroom. There's 3 bedrooms altogether. Both the smaller bedrooms are still very generous in size. And of course, this is the second bathroom of the 3. From the outside, you can get a little better idea of how big that backyard is. It is huge back there. It has a nice big porch on the back, so that way you can sit back there and hang out. That, of course, is the family room downstairs in the basement. So that way the kids can be roughhousing, or maybe a pool table, some kind of fun down there. That's the downstairs bath. Big, huge garage. Got some extra room in it for tools and maybe hobbies or something like that. That's a big deck. So anyway, if you'd like to see this, by all means, give Mike Greenlee, I'm the broker, a call on this piece of property, and we'll get you in there for a private viewing. My cell phone number is 304-377-3758. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because this is where our new listings go to the first thing. So if you subscribe and hit the little bell, which is a notifications button, you'll get a little advantage on these new things that are coming in on the market. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give us a call.